In this video, let us know the top 5 current affairs of 24th May 2021. The first topic: nuclear scientist Shri Kumar Banerjee passed away. So, who was this Shri Kumar Banerjee? Shri Kumar Banerjee is a nuclear scientist. Is a nuclear scientist and a former chairman of Atomic Energy Commission. So Shri Kumar Banerjee passed away at 75 on May 23rd, 2021 due to heart attack. Also, he had recovered from the COVID-19. And Shri Kumar Banerjee is a nuclear scientist who led the nuclear establishment when both India as well as the US signed their nuclear deal and legislated civil liability, the deal between these two for the nuclear damage bill. And Shri Kumar had also headed the establishment of this nuclear energy in India. So when there was a doubt that India will lose its atomic nuclear autonomy, but when they signed 123 Pact or the USA, Indian civil nuclear agreement with the US, but still Sri Kumar Banerjee was convinced that India would win, would gain. Also, Sri Kumar Banerjee got many awards. In that, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize was given for the science and technology in 1989, and also in 2005, he was conferred that Padma Shri Award. The second topic. So, Delhi records 8 new species of the snakes. So this, how does they recognize that they have like 8 more species extra? That is from the study of the Delhi University. So this is from the since 5 years there was a study by the researchers from the Delhi universities. For that reason, they have found that the 8 new species of the snakes that were added to the list of the snakes in Delhi. So there are, before it was like 23, the number of snake species recorded in Delhi was 23. It was increased to 23. And in 1997, it has been updated in the list. In 1997 list that was mentioned in the fauna of the Delhi book. And this book is widely used to track the native species in the Delhi. And why Delhi is a more important site for the conservation? Is that comes from the important site for the conservation because it is a part of the ancient Aravali mountain. Though it has now fragmented either in the form of the urban forest, but still it has a part of the ancient Aravali mountains. And what are those 8 species? So those are the common bronzeback tree snake, common cat snake, common trinket snake, common kukri, common sandbow, barred oak snake, streaked kukri, and saw scale viper, or the new addition in species of the snake. So how does these data will be collected? So these are collected through the techniques, as I told, the study from the researchers of 5 year study from the researchers team from the Delhi University. And also there are some techniques such as pitfall trap. So these are the techniques and roadkill encounters, and they used to collect data through these techniques. Some techniques are being involved here. And secondary information is also on rescue of the snake. They used to get the data of the collection of the species from the NGOs or like World Life Trust of India and Fauna Foundation. So from these they used to get information. Yeah, third topic. US announces restrictions on Ethiopia and Eritrea. So why there was a restrictions was there? So this is all about the United States had put a visa restriction. So they have visa restrictions on the official Ethiopia and Eritrea, who was accused for increasing 6-month old war in Tigray region of Ethiopia. So let us know what was this Ethiopia and Eritrea and what was the restriction. So the United States accused them as they had not taken a meaningful step to end this all hostilities in Tigray region. So the war between Ethiopia and Eritrea was there was a conflict between these two, like Ethiopia and Eritrea. So this was started in the May 1998 and ended in the June 2000. But the final peace treaty was signed 20 years after, and that was in 2018. Yeah. So let us know how this war was started. So as per the ruling of International Commission that is in the argue that Eritrea triggered the war against the Ethiopia. Eritrea triggered the war against with the Ethiopia by breaking the international law. By breaking the international law. After the war, Ethiopia, this Ethiopia held all the disputed territory and advanced to Eritrea. And also let us know the consequence of the war happened between Ethiopia and Eritrea. So this have spent a huge dollar on the war and also have suffered many casualties as the direct consequences. But it resulted in only the minor border changes, not much anymore. And also let us know what are those boundary commission, the border changes. So the Ethiopia and Eritrea, the Boundary Commission. So this body was founded by the United Nations and it was established. Disputed territory of Padme belongs to Eritrea. But as of 2019, Ethiopia still occupies Badme and nearby territory of it. And let us know what is this Ethiopia and Eritrea. They had the region that is the Tigray region. So let us know what is this Tigray region. So it is the northernmost region state of Ethiopia. So this is the northernmost state of the Ethiopia. So the region is homeland of Tigrayan, Iob and Kunama people. So in the federal constitution, what happened? This is also called as the region 1. In the federal constitution, let me write it here. In the federal constitution, it is called as the region 1. The largest city. Mekelle is the capital of Tigray region. So for this, Mekelle is the capital of this Tigray region. And the Boundary Commissions. So this body was founded by the United Nations. It established a disputed territory of Badme that belongs to Eritrea. But as of 2019, Ethiopia was still occupies this Badme and territory nearby. Yeah, the next topic. And our first name, Atlantic Storm of 2021. So why this got a first name as an Atlantic Storm? That is Anna. So why? Because it doesn't cause any damage to the land, but still it may dissipate soon. This is got from according to the National Hurricane Center, that is Miami, a subtropical storm. Anna, this is drifting northeast across this Atlantic Ocean after causing rain to Bermuda. So that's why it's named as the first Atlantic storm of 2021. So this storm, Anna storm, was located about 435 kilometers northeast of Bermuda. So it had a maximum sustained wind of kilometers like 75 kilometers per hour. So this was named first named storm in Atlantic in 2021, even though the hurricane seasons was not started yet. Hurricane seasons usually this may start from the June, like it starts on towards like June 1st. After June 1st, it gonna start. So what is this Bermuda? This Bermuda is a British overseas territory. This is located in the North Atlantic Ocean. It has an area of 1035 kilometer. This is spreading across the east and northeast Cape of Hatteras. This North Carolina Bermuda as 181 highlands, and Hamilton is its capital city. And the Highland is internally self-governing, and it has a constitution also. And the last topic, Mount Nyiragongo erupts in eastern Congo. So this mountain volcano, this is located 10 kilometers from the Goma. So after eruption, it has led to thousands of residents were frightened. And so they are now fleeing towards this Rwanda in the east. So this volcano was last erupted in 2002 and also killed 250 people, and also left it had left 1.2 lakh people homeless also. About this mountain, it is one of the world's most active and dangerous volcano, and it has an elevated of 3470 kilometers in Vinunda Mountains, and which are associated with the Albertan Rift. This volcano is located inside Virunga National Park, a democratic republic of the Congo. Main crater of volcano is about 2 kilometers wide and is comprises of lava lake. The crater it presently has two distinct cool lava which is within the crater.